Well, hello guys, welcome back to our channel Crypto Console. So before moving to our video, if you haven't joined our Telegram channel, kindly join. This is where we post about the node links and GitHub links regarding the nodes and also some Telegram bots and the airdrop links. All the links will be posted in the Telegram channel. And if you haven't followed me on Twitter, kindly follow. I post about the node timings and the testnet guides related to that, as you can see. And this is our YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, kindly subscribe and hit the notification icon and tune into all, so you can get the instant notification about our videos, so you can set up the node and do the testnet task ASAP. Okay, let's see about the node guide. So buy VPS2, that will be the good option for the Chainbase. So for new users, you can run up to this thing. So until here you can run, and then you can continue with the new guide, the update guide, because you need to register your Eigenlayer operator before you register in AVS. So that means the Chainbase. So do until here, Eigenlayer operator status operator YAML, right? So do until this. So if you are a new Chainbase node deployer, so I log into my VPS. So the download thing is sometimes it got deleted, or you run auto remove, sometimes it might be in the wrong path. So just do this if Eigenlayer is not working. So you can check that your old node is running or not. So just run docker ps, check here the Chainbase is running, right? So what I'm going to do is, first I'm going to stop the node. So I'm not in the Chainbase directory, so I'm just going to change the directory to this folder. Then I'm going to run Chainbase AVS stop. So next I'm going to cd, that means I'm going to change the directory to the home folder, and then I'm going to, so if I run this I will get my extra key. So let me do that. So as you can see here, these are my keys. So just copy these things and save it somewhere safe. Okay, you need to back up this before doing all the node upgradation thing. Just do it. So in the initial node operator we didn't create a BLS key, so I'm going to create it now. Just follow this step. So I'm just going to create a BLS key. So see, I am having the Eigenlayer, so I'm just going to run this, right? So I'm going to set a password for my private key. That can be anything, just remember this. So it can be same thing that we initially created a extra key, right? So it can be same password like that. So just remember the password. So after entering the password, it gave me a private key. So I saved it in somewhere offline. So you can also save the private key in a safe place. And then I pressed Q. So to end the view of the BLS key, I pressed Q. So I got it here. So next we're going to delete the old Chainbase folders. So here you need to remember the old password, so that you set in the first video node. Okay. So if you don't remember the password, just go here, just cd and then see this. Now you need to nano env, right? And then if you scroll down, you can see your password here. So you can get the password and remember it, save it somewhere else safe. So just going to exit this, I'm going to cd. So now I'm going to remove this, remove the old files. Okay, just make sure I'm already in the home folder. So I remove the Chainbase setup file. Now I'm going to download the new Chainbase GitHub repo. So I found it. Next I'm going to copy the example file into env file. Now I'm going to nano env it. I will update this. So here, so you need to edit the path. So if you followed my video guide or my GitHub guide, this is your path and this is your key name. So you can just paste it by yourself. So you need to edit your password that you set for the BLS key is the new password that you set like a couple of minutes ago, and this is the extra key, that is the one that I showed in the nano env file. Okay. So and then, so the operator address is your Chainbase node address. So you created a wallet that you used for deploying the AVS operator, right? So that one. So this is my operator address. I'm just going to copy this here. So you can also find it the previous video, or you can also find it here that you pasted the address and your operator name also. So you can also find it here. So coming to this port, you need to edit your IP address then with your port. So default the team gave is this port. So edit it like this, and then the operator name that you gave for first deployment, right? So this is the operator name for me. I'm going to copy this, paste it. Okay. So let me set my password, and then I'll get it back. So now let's make this script executable. So for this thing, the new users, after completing all these steps, you need to do this. So after running this command, I got a register operator with AVS registry coordinator. So successfully registered. Just run. So the Grafana thing is a dashboard. So with the new update, you can check your node performance by logging for browser with the IP address and the respective ports. So it took almost 10 minutes to pull the files and run the node. I'm going to hit the viewer. Now for this thing that you used a different VPS for deploying the first node and you are using a different VPS for the second node, just run this. So your IP address will be updated to the server at your operator address. Okay. So this thing is useful for when I post there is a new update in the Chainbase node. So you just need to run this step, nothing more than that. Just run this thing, so your node will get updated. So let me quickly check docker ps. Need to copy until this, just here, then find the repository Chainbase node key that's ends with version number, right? Just copy the image of that, paste it here. So now check this. So these are the logs. So everything is working fine. So you need to get it like this, right? Just going to cancel the context. So after setting up the node, just you need to replace it with your IP address. Then at the end, this is the port value that you're going to access the Grafana dashboard. Quickly show it. So just press enter. So after accessing your dashboard, it will get like this. So it has to be look like this. You can get through the transaction counts, threads that you're using, the uptime and all. So just check once in a while, regularly, at least twice or thrice a week, so you can get the uptime and stay with it, right? So that's it for today, guys. If you haven't joined our Telegram channel, join and follow me on Twitter. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. A lot of members for watching the videos without subscribing, so kindly subscribe and watch. So yesterday we got a node reward, that is JSM. So a lot of people in our community got around $300 for a node. Rather than that, we will get more things in the future. That is not far away. It started in November, I believe. It's already started. So just wait for all our rewards. Until then, stay safe. Have a nice day.